In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart values in Excel. We will walk through both ways you can control what your chart shows, so your numbers always match your data. First, open your Excel workbook. Once it loads, make sure you can see both your worksheet with the numbers and the chart that uses them. If the chart is on another sheet, click its tab at the bottom so you know exactly which data you are about to change. Keeping the chart visible while you edit makes it easier to see the effect of each change. Now locate the cells that the chart is based on. Usually these are in a small table with headings at the top and numbers below. A quick way to confirm is to click one bar or line in the chart. Excel will highlight the source cells with colored borders, so you can see the exact range it is reading from. Beginners often edit the wrong table if there are several that look similar, so use that highlight to double check. Once you have found the correct cells, change the values in those cells. Type directly into each cell you want to update. Just like any normal data entry in Excel, if you are replacing several values, move through them using the arrow keys so you do not accidentally skip a cell. Notice that Excel might temporarily show the old value in the chart until you confirm the edit, so do not worry if the bar or line has not moved yet. After typing a new value, press Enter. The moment you do that, Excel stores the new number in the cell and recalculates anything linked to it. Look back at your chart and you will see the bar height, line position, or slice size change right away. There is no extra save step for the chart itself. It always listens to the cells, so every confirmed change is reflected automatically. Now let us look at the second method, for times when you want the chart to use different cells entirely. If you want the chart to use different cells, you will adjust the data range rather than the values themselves. This is helpful when you add new rows or columns and want the chart to include them. Click the chart. Once it is selected, you will see a border around it and small handles on the corners and sides. At the top of Excel, new contextual tabs appear, including one called Chart Design. If you click outside the chart by mistake, those tabs disappear, so just click the chart again to bring them back. Go to the Chart Design tab. On this tab, you will see Layout, Style, and Data Tools grouped together. We will focus only on the Data section for now, because that is what controls which cells your chart is using. Next, click Select Data. A Select Data Source window opens in the center of your screen. This window shows the chart data range at the top and any existing series listed in the middle. Think of this window as the control panel for what appears in the chart. In the Select Data Source window, you can change the chart data range. Click inside the Chart Data Range box and then drag over a different block of cells on your worksheet. When you release the mouse, the address in the box updates and the preview in the background chart changes to match that new range. Still in the Select Data Source window, you can also click Edit to modify an existing series. This lets you point one series to a different set of Y values or a different name cell while leaving other series unchanged. For example, you might keep the same months along the bottom, but swap which product sales the line represents. If you need more data in the same chart, click Add to add a new series. Excel will ask for a series name and a range for the values. Once you provide those, a new line, bar, or slice appears in the chart using the same chart type as the others. This is a quick way to compare a new category with data already charted. If a series no longer belongs in the chart, click Remove to delete a series. The series disappears from the list in the window and from the chart legend and graphics. Nothing happens to the underlying worksheet cells. They remain unchanged. Only the link between that series and the chart is removed. When you are satisfied with all these changes, click OK. The Select Data Source window closes and your chart now shows exactly the ranges and series you just selected. You have now learned two ways to change chart values in Excel, either by editing the source cells or by adjusting the chart data range to use different cells. If this helped you get your chart matching your data, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Excel tips.